students, good day! Welcome to my class. My name is Ma'am Nice and I will be your teacher for today. This lesson is for grade 9 Beauty Care students for group 1 Carnation, Rose, Tulip, Orchids, and Stargazer. I hope you will not get bored by staying at home, so before we start our class, let's have some fun. Do you know how to sing? Ouch! I can't do it well. I cannot produce a correct sound for each chord because of my long nails. And there are also scratches on my nails. But I know what to do. There are some tools needed to fix again my nails. In case it will happen to you that your newly manicured nails will be damaged or you want your nails to be cleaned, you must know what are the tools and materials needed to do it. In today's lesson, we are going to classify the different tools and materials. There are 3 classifications. Number 1, implements. Number 2, materials. Number 3, equipments. When we say implements, and when we say materials and equipments, at my back, there are 2 groups of manicuring tools. For implements, I will show you one by one. Nail brush. Cuticle nipper. Nail file. Nail cutter. Towel. These are all the manicuring implements. Now let's go to materials. Nail polish. Mertiolate. Cuticle remover. Cotton. Acetone. Those are the materials needed in manicuring. Do you think we're done? But there's still one more. Those are the equipments needed in manicuring. But I don't have those materials or equipments here at home. What are we going to do? This time, we are going to have a salon tour. Do you want to go to a salon? Are you excited? Let's go! Now we're back. So those are the 3 classifications of tools in manicuring. Don't be confused. In case you forget the different names of those items, you can refer to your module, and that is found on page 10. There are some illustrations showing those items that we mentioned here. If you really can't understand and you're still confused, You can ask a help from your family, from your elder sister, or from your mother. And the link of this video, I can post it in our Google Classroom and I can send it to you in your messenger. If you have your internet connection, you can watch this again in YouTube. And if you don't have your internet connection, I can give you a copy of this video in your flash drive. We're not yet done. I know you have all these materials at home. It's not complete, but at least you have some. What we are going to do is, please borrow it from your parents, from your elder sister or mother, and bring it here now. We are going to do some activity. I will give you 1 minute. Make sure you can be back after 1 minute. The time starts now. Time is up. Thank you that you're here again. Okay, you have now your materials and implements with you. We are going to have an activity. I will pick one and you will name this. And tell me if this is an implement or material. Example number 1. What's this? Answer, nail polish. Is this an implement or material? Answer, material. Example number 2. What's this? Answer, cuticle nipper. Is this a material or implement? Answer, implement. Okay, so we are going to do this for 5 items. Okay, let's start. Number 1. I will pick this one. What's this? Your answer? Is this a material or implement? Next, number 2. What's this? Your answer? Is this a material or implement? Your answer? Next, number 3. What do you call this? Your answer? Is this a material or implement? Your answer? Next, number 4. Name this. Your answer? Is this a material or implement? Your answer? Next is this one. What's this? Your answer? Is this a material or implement? Your answer? Okay, so we're done with 5 items. Very good. Very good, students. Now you have already familiarized all the implements and materials, but for you to have a deeper understanding of our lesson, what you are going to do is all your materials there, divided into 2. On the right side, you have your materials. Group your materials on the right side, and for the implements, put it on the left side. Do it now. I will give you 10 seconds. Okay, time is up. You are going to check your own work. On the right side, here's the answer, the materials. On the left side are the implements. Check your answer. Did you get the perfect score? Very good. How's our lesson for today? Did you find it difficult or it's just easy for you? But before we end this lesson, I will give you 3 questions. Question number 1, what is the importance of this lesson? Your answer? Very good. Next questions. Number 2, enumerate the equipments found in the salon. Your answer? Very good. Last question before we end. Number 3, why is equipments, materials, and implements are important in manicuring process? Your answer? Very good. Your answers are all correct, but I will give you an additional answer for you to read. Here it is. We are about to end this lesson. I hope you learned something today. This is your teacher, Ma'am Nice. Bye!
And kay Ma'am Nice, parang kasi ma'am yung ginawa mo, yun yung sinasabi sa webinar na napanood ko. Kaya ang ano ko rito is thinking na kung tama yung sinasabi nung webinar na yon, nasunod mo yung kanyang yung technique sa pagtuturo ng TDL sa senior high school. And you have a good evaluative questions at the end of the lesson. Maganda yung ginawa mo, ma'am, kasi para nagtanong ka ng 3 evaluation questions doon na congruent naman siya doon sa lesson objective mo. Okay yun, ma'am. Maganda ang mataas ang binigay kong marka kay ma'am.
Nice naman, kagaya ng sinabi ko kahapon sa grade 12, make our prayers generic. So, let us play safe na maging generic yung mga prayers natin. Doon nga sa asynchronous, yung ilalagay natin yung video mo doon sa flash drive, ay maganda yon. Kasi nga, pwedeng balik-balikan ni bata.